Nigeria. Nigeria is my country. Congratulations.
Godswill Akpabio, that as a retired senator who is not going to be with us in the 9th Assembly, you should also continue or start to do those things that will continue, that will propel the prosperity of this country. Akpabio, I will miss you in the 9th Senate, but we will definitely meet on the streets of Abuja. I thank you very much, my colleagues. The battle to salvage this country is not a battle of no return.
The world is going into artificial intelligence, and one of the problems of the country is insecurity. We will work with the current president to ensure that this security is brought to the bare minimum. We will support him through legislation. We will support him through appropriation. We will support him in any way possible to make sure that he can sleep with your 2 eyes closed. Above all, we have a president who believes in human empowerment, and so he's not going to take it lightly. We'll make necessary laws to assist him to actualize his vision of renewing hope in the hopeless state of many countries, of many places, including neighboring countries.
Nigeria, now which one be my country? Nigeria, now which one be our country? Nigeria, now which one be our country? Nigeria.